The K&F Concept White Mist Filter promised to bloom the highlights, reduce the contrast, and reduce a little bit the sharpness to give a romantic and amazing look. Talking about amazing look, we have the model Miguel back for this video. What does this filter do? Let's take some pictures without, is some with. Of course, I have to do some pictures in portrait because she's an Instagrammer, so. And as you can see, the highlights is blooming. I am a bit 2/3 of a stop over the recommended exposure by the camera, just to have that beautiful highlights exploding. Let me try one up down, because the sea is shining with the water. I think will look amazing. On the K&F Concept website, called this filter dreamy and soft, and yeah, honestly, I don't like to photograph only natural light and blow up the highlights, but this filter, yeah, okay, the model is excellent, but this filter really helps to sell it. And of course, check this out, this looks amazing, amazing, amazing. I love the highlights blooming as so. Now, what about the sharpness? Let's test that. Backlighted using a fill light off-camera flash. She's doing an amazing job. Let me try one without the filter, just to see what we're gonna get. So let's check the raw files, okay? There is no editing on these raw files. This is as Lightroom is interpreting this image. By the outside, without zooming in, you can see the mood of this picture, the dream of this picture. Does it break the sharpness of the image? Let's zoom in, especially here in the hair, and you can actually see the individual hairs actually pretty damn good. Now it's the exact same camera settings, okay? It has the sharpness as we expect from a Nano Pro X filter from K&F Concept. I have the feeling that this filter will work way better with the lens wide open. So let's test that. Let's go for f8. And the sun is coming out. All the way open to f1.8. Ah, está bem giro também. Isso. Well, Miguel, guess again, because this photo over here is the f1.8 aperture, and you can see how the mood is there. And this one is the f8. Honestly, it has a really good feeling, a good mood to it as well. So that means that yeah, this filter is quite practical. Now, we cannot discuss taste, but the effect actually it's pronounced through the aperture pretty damn well. That wasn't my experience with the black mist filter. Amazing. When I photograph with the black mist filter, I really enjoy photographing with the backlight to really provoke the contrast. Let's see if that applies to this filter as well. Okay, up. And a bit sideways. And backlighted. Up. Honestly, what I conclude is that you really have to push the boundaries with this filter. That means go for the highlights, contrast lighting, so this filter actually uncontrasted and create this magical and dreamy look. If the scenery is soft, it's not really that interesting. Another thing is, I didn't enjoy as much I would think using a fill light flash, okay? That dreamy look is still there, but it's not as intense. Another thing that I would like to see K&F Concept is to create this white pro mist filter in other densities, mainly 1/2 and full effect. I think would be very interesting. And what is really cool to see this filter is in videos. Me and Miguel went to the beach and we recorded this amazing images with the 35 millimeters and the full frame R6.